Creating the perfect desk for your workspace is essential for productivity and aesthetics. Whether you're looking to renovate an existing setup or start from scratch with a new desk project, this guide offers innovative desk ideas and models to suit your needs. Modern desk designs come in various shapes and sizes, catering to different purposes and styles. Sleek, minimalist desks work well in contemporary settings, while rustic wooden desks provide a more traditional feel. Consider choosing a design that complements your office layout, ensuring a harmonious workspace. From standing desks to compact corner desks, there's a model for every space. One popular idea is combining desks with bookcases to create a multifunctional work and storage area. Whether it's a wall-mounted desk or a floating desk, you can maximize both function and style in even the smallest of spaces. Looking for inspiration? Check out the latest desk models featuring integrated storage solutions, ergonomic designs, and tech-friendly features. Adjustable height desks and modular models allow you to customize the workspace according to your needs, making it easy to switch from a sitting to a standing position. Building your desk can be a rewarding project. With the right materials and desk construction plans, you can create a unique piece tailored to your office. Whether you're upcycling an old desk or constructing one from scratch, you'll need to focus on sturdy desk installation and functional design. Once your desk is ready, decoration is key to personalizing the space. Add plants, desk organizers, and decorative elements that reflect your style. Desk renovation often involves upgrading hardware, refinishing surfaces, or adding decorative lighting for a fresh, modern look. Desk construction requires careful planning and the right tools. Ensure your desk fits your workspace perfectly by measuring accurately and considering desk installation methods like wall mounting or freestanding setups. For those looking to revamp their office, desk renovation projects can breathe new life into outdated furniture. Combining desks with bookcases is a great way to optimize space. A desk and bookcase combo not only offers storage but also creates a cohesive design that enhances your office's functionality and style. If you're passionate about desk designs and models, subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas, desk projects, and decoration tips. Don't miss out on the latest trends in office furniture and workspace transformation.